Whenever I'm facing a complete lack of motivation and being discouraged, one thing that always helps is writing one line of code. Finding the smallest problem in my project and working towards fixing it, if not just outright fixing it. Whether that is coding parts of the user interface or fixing small bugs with other systems inside my project. I find that after working and fixing this, and then going back to slacking on my project, watching YouTube, or facing burnout, that I start feeling motivated to work towards other issues in my game. Another way to stay motivated is finding a friend or even just reaching out to someone in a Discord server, preferably someone who's working towards their own goals or passions, even if it is unrelated to game development. Trying to keep each other accountable to work on your goals every day is a great way to stay motivated. Texting them or calling them at the end of the day and discussing what you've both completed, what you didn't complete, and what you want to complete the next day. Doing this helps you feel not so alone in your goals and makes you strive to want to accomplish more and more each day. In addition, journaling is a big help as well, and going as far as to gamify your progress by wanting to achieve more than what you did the previous day, by breaking up your goals into smaller pieces. Lastly, exercise. Exercise and working out early in the morning or after you wake up is a great way to motivate yourself. Going hard in the gym, whether you're doing cardio or lifting weights, will make you feel positive and motivated for the rest of the day, and it's a great way to get away from the computer. For burnout, give yourself plenty of breaks and know that it's okay to take off a day or two. For some people, when you have motivation, you want to chase it as long as it's there, which is something that I'm guilty of doing. I end up burning myself out and then needing to take off a few more days, which ends up taking even more time away from me actually working towards my project. But taking self-care days, going out with friends, and getting away from the computer by finding other hobbies or working out are all great ways to avoid burnout as a game developer. Imposter syndrome is not unique to game development. The feeling and lack of confidence that you aren't enough and that you are a bad game developer who will never make it happens to everyone. And the way that I find helps me get past this is by having a Discord community where people interested in my projects can join, and a YouTube channel. Both of these, as they grow, let you know that people are interested in your project and what you have to say. That you do carry influence even if it is very small at this moment. Creating this YouTube channel is probably the best choice I've made in regards to keeping myself accountable and getting feedback from complete strangers. While getting feedback from friends and family is great, in my experience, I've noticed that it does not go as far as a complete stranger showing genuine interest and/or thanking you for showing them something they didn't know, or even just talking about how cool and great your project or idea is. At the end of the day, be aware of when you're dealing with imposter syndrome and trying to replace those negative thoughts with happier ones. Go on a walk or get away for a minute to try to reset your mind. Find positive reinforcement from others, and just realize that this is normal and that you are likely a lot better at game development than you might think. That's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.